Are you ready to unlock the world of science for young minds? In primary science, we focus on developing scientific process skills in students. These skills are crucial for engaging with science as a dynamic body of knowledge. The understanding begins with the scientific method, a structured approach to problem solving. As a teacher, it's essential to possess both the skills and a positive attitude towards science. This ensures you can design and facilitate effective science activities in your classroom. Let's explore the concept of scientific process skills more closely. These skills, often termed process skills, define how scientific knowledge is developed. They form the foundation for both teachers and learners to conduct investigations and draw conclusions. Science learning is deeply tied to these skills. Most activities in primary education are hands-on, emphasizing the need for teachers to be competent in basic science process skills. This hands-on experience allows these skills to come alive in the classroom, with teachers acting as vital agents in this learning journey. Moreover, these process skills are closely linked to communication. While they apply to various educational areas, their significance magnifies within the context of science, making them more impactful. Now let's summarize some key science process skills you should focus on. 1. Observing. Train students to observe objects using various senses. They should be able to describe properties like shape and color. Using tools like microscopes enriches the observation experience. 2. Classifying. Teach students to identify properties for organizing objects. Help them group items based on similarities and differences, leading to the development of classification systems. 3. Inferring. Encourage students to suggest explanations for observations. It's important they understand the distinction between observations and inferences. 4. Predicting. Engage students in forecasting future events based on their previous experiences or experiments. 5. Measuring. Guide students in comparing and ordering objects by various metrics: length, weight, volume, and more. Each of these skills supports scientific inquiry and enhances understanding, fostering a more profound appreciation for science. As we wrap up, remember that developing these skills not only promotes scientific knowledge, but also shapes critical thinkers. Are you ready to implement these skills in your teaching? Start by incorporating hands-on activities in your lessons and engage your students through observation and experimentation. Let's inspire curiosity and a love for science in every child. Join us to delve deeper into the world of science education. Your next steps start here.